for one purpose, it cannot transfer it to another department for another purpose. Here, in this case, government had recorded the conversation of the respondent for tax purpose. It has not at all been justified or reasoned why the private conversation tapes recorded by the tax department for tax purpose were transferred to CBI when CBI is not a department concerned with tax. My fifth issue is whether there is violation of Indian Telegraph Act. There has been violation of Indian Telegraph Act 1885. The government permitted the tax in emergency or in the interest of public safety, and tax is not related to public emergency nor is it related to public safety. Thus, there is violation of Indian Telegraph Act under section 5(2). I would like to cite a case. In case of Baburam and Kauna versus State of Uttar Pradesh, the Honorable Supreme Court has interpreted that the expression public interest as an act beneficial to the general public and an action taken for public purpose. When considering whether the published information was for the public good, the simple answer would be no. Exposure of a private conversation between the respondent and a reputed business person does not benefit to the public, nor is it in the public interest. My sixth issue is whether the action of the government is detrimental to the growth of trade and commerce, amounting to the violation of right of livelihood. The action of the government is detrimental to growth of trade and commerce and hence amounts to violation of right of livelihood. Government permitted phone tapping for a long duration of 300 days, but government failed to protect and secure the recorded private conversation of the respondent with a business person which were meant to be used by the concerned department. It cannot be guaranteed that government will be able to protect and secure other private conversations between trade and commerce organizations in 50 hours, amounting to violation of right to livelihood. May I proceed to prayer clause, please? In the light of the facts stated, arguments advanced and authorities cited, the respondent humbly prays before the Honorable Court to dismiss the appeal filed by the appellant in the Honorable Court of Law, maintain the status quo of the impugnate order as the act of the state was arbitrary and violative of respondent's constitutional right of privacy. Pass any order which the court may deem fit in the light of justice, equity and good conscience. All of which is most humbly prayed. Whatever decision was given by the High Court. How is it given any kind of relief? Of final hearing. Who should release it? About what? It should the appeal made by the filed by the appellant in the Supreme Court should be dismissed. Is what I mean. You are asking status quo about the judgment given by the High Court. Should be maintained. It means status quo by that. Obviously, it means that it should be discussed in the Supreme Court. Whatever appeal has been made by the appellant right now should be discussed.
kindly transmit that conversation to see that a published reading is written that her telephonic conversation with a reputed business person has been leaked. She fearing loss of business, reputation and breach of trust and confidently with her client's fight supervision under Article 26. High Court gives decision the act of state was arbitrary and her reduction of her right of privacy and hence is unconstitutional. The state of sovereignty was filed and appeal to the Supreme Court. That is India's first question. Whether appeal filed by the Appellate Bureau Honorable Supreme Court of India is maintainable, the Honorable Supreme Court of India is certainly entitled to the present opinion. The reason is Article 136 of the Constitution of India confers extraordinary and discretionary power of jurisdiction. Article 136 of the Indian Constitution provides special legal appeal by the Supreme Court. Article 136 provisions is that, notwithstanding anything in this chapter, the Supreme Court may in its discretion grant special legal appeal from any judgment, decree, determination, sentence, or order in any court or matter passed or made by the court or tribunal in the territory of India. Notwithstanding thus one shall apply to any judgment, determination, sentence, or order passed or made by any court tribunal constituted by under any law relating to armed forces. Appellate filed the appeal in Supreme Court of India on the basis of reading it instead of Punjab versus Jagannath Singh. The court held that the power under Article 136 is no doubt extraordinary and the Supreme Court was in action only to avoid miscarriage of justice of the business of perversity is shown in the judgment. In the present case, appellate feels injustice case shall apply directly under Section 1, Article 136. In absence of Supreme Court, influence in the judgment of High Court under Article 136. Gurjar Singh versus Deputy Director, it is well settled that Supreme Court is entitled to inquire with the judgment of High Court under Article 136 only when there is a gross irregularity in the judgment of High Court or any substantial grounds of law which are of public importance have been raised in such a petition. Article 136 discretionary powers given to Supreme Court thus appealer was included Supreme Court in case of leakage of the Senate versus State of Kerala. In this case, the court held that appellate power available to Supreme Court under Article 136 is not circumscribed by any limitation being a court to which appeal lies contrary to the High Court. It would have the same power which is available to High Court. Therefore, with all above decision given by Supreme Court, appellant says that appeal filed by the appellant is maintainable under Article 136 of the Indian Constitution. If I am to whether there is a violation of fundamental rights or not, appellant gives this answer immediately. In our present case, there is never violation of any fundamental right. Article 21 provides, no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to procedure established by law. Procedure established by law. The most important words in this provision are procedure established by law. Article 21 includes natural justice. The